I don't know if the girlfriends are appreciating me saying this. I'll try and find someone single.
Ray and George, if we need a pusher, try and get him on it.
I'd probably go entertainment purposes. I'd go Jay or Josh Allen. I think they would be, they'd increase viewers across the country, definitely.
Sam Jones, yeah. Mae'n edrych fel bod o'n siwm o Love Island. Efo sy'n ma'n gwisgo bod dim.
I think Tyler Rock would give that a go, and definitely Crow, Callum, yeah. It's right up their street, that is, to be fair.
What? I don't know if the girlfriends are appreciating me saying this. I'll try and find someone single. Oh no, I'll still say George Ratcliffe, yeah.
Pritch.
Oh, we've had this conversation actually. Some have considered putting applications in, unfortunately. Who's got a good chat? You can fast forward this. I'll give Alric.